Welcome to this overview of the Parabolic SAR Scalping EA, designed and built on the no-code platform FXdreema. This expert advisor leverages the Parabolic SAR indicator to identify short-term market momentum and create precise scalping opportunities. The EA is structured to combine scalping entries with advanced money management, including both Martingale and grid trading logic, which can enhance profitability potential but also introduces higher risk if not used carefully. The trading logic begins by checking Parabolic SAR signals in relation to price and confirming alignment with other conditions like the EMA filter. Once conditions are met, the EA opens buy or sell trades, while also managing trade series through grid distance and Martingale lot adjustments. The system continuously monitors profits and losses, with mechanisms for closing trades when profit targets are hit, and optional cut-loss logic to protect against runaway drawdowns. Inside FXdreema, the workflow is displayed through connected logic blocks that handle trade entries, lot scaling, profit checks, and risk management. This visual approach makes the EA easier to understand and modify compared to coding from scratch. It is essential to emphasize that scalping with Martingale and grid systems carries significant trading risk. Before using this EA on a live account, you should always perform thorough backtesting with 99.9% tick data, study the trading strategy, and forward test in a demo environment to understand the behavior under different market conditions. This presentation is part of the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code FXdreema, on the channel Mqlrobot EAS. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gives you a clear overview of how the Parabolic SAR Scalping EA is structured.